Introduce yourself.
Okay, sir. I'm Nidhi Chaudhary. I belong to Panipat, Haryana. I've done my schooling from DPS Panipat and my graduation from DKS Sonipat, Haryana. I'm currently preparing for CAPF 2020 and 2021, and this is my second attempt at CAPF exam.
Okay. Just tell me recent 2 news of Haryana.
So first news relates to the corruption that has been caught by the Central Vigilance Commission in HPSC department. And the second news is about the Gita Mahotsav that has to be organized from 6th to 20th December in Kurukshetra, Haryana.
Okay. Do you remember or can recall any sloka from Gita?
No, sir, I do not know.
Just in one line, crux of Gita.
So according to Gita, one has to keep working hard for their goal and not actually desire the goal.
Okay, so you should not desire the things.
So the crux signifies the thing that we need to keep working hard instead of worrying about what result would be like.
So you follow?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Recently, there was a news related to National Family Health Survey 5. Actually, report is publishing in part wise. So there was a news related to fertility rate in India. So what is current fertility rate in India?
So the current fertility rate of India is 2.1.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Recently, there was in news, it is 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is 2.1 actually?
So 2.1 signifies the total fertility replacement rate that has
Okay.
to be acquired by any country in order to replace its present population exactly in the future population.
Okay. What is demographic dividend?
So demographic dividend is that section of population which can contribute to the economy of the country. For example, sir, in India, the demographic dividend include age groups from 18 to 52. I'm not sure about the age group, sir.
Okay. 15 to 64. Okay. At this time.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. You did BTech.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the oldest engineering college are still functioning in India?
Sir, I'm not sure about it.
IIT Roorkee. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Initially
Okay,
it
sir.
was different name. College was of different name. No issue. So in India there are many IITs.
Yes, sir.
And there are still increasing. So did you try for IIT?
Yes, sir, I did, but I was not able to qualify the G advanced paper.
Okay, okay. So
Yes, sir.
J mains you qualified?
Yes, sir. I actually appeared for the IIT examinations, but I was not above the cutoff.
Okay, okay, no issue. Some time back, there was a judgment in Delhi High Court when there was case related to POCSO Act, and a judge, she was herself a female, and she gave the judgment that when there is no skin to skin contact, it will not be treated as that crime. And but Supreme Court turned the judgment and said that was not right. Intention is important. A skin to skin touch is not important. What do you think about the judgment of that lady judge?
Sir, I do not exactly know about the evidences that must be shown in the case, but the kind of judgment that was passed was regressive in nature. So, a skin to skin contact is not the most important thing when it comes to accusing a person under the POCSO Act, but the sexual intent is important according to the Supreme Court. And so, this also broadens the availability and the power of accusing the criminals in the court. So the Supreme Court's decision is a welcoming one.
Okay. So if we want to remove the judge, then what will be the procedure?
Sir, for removing the judge, we have a Judges Inquiry Act, according to which there are some provisions related to which the Parliament can remove a Delhi High Court judge or any High Court judge.
Okay. So
Yes.
how much importance is discipline in life?
So discipline is the prime thing that should be included in everybody's life in order to move further and achieve a better in their life, and in order to even inculcate other qualities in their life, the discipline is required.
Okay, so you were in charge in team of discipline in you were in discipline in charge. So did you face any unique type of situation?
Yes, sir. Sir, the area that I was controlling, it was related to the class students of class 1 to 4, and sometimes it got pretty challenging to control the kids of that age. So one of those unique situation was that, sir, when I had to give punishment to the two kids who were involved in a fight. So I gave a really creative kind of punishment to them,
Okay,
and fortunately they got their lesson, and that's how they improved, sir.
okay. So you were also or participating in marathon organizing. So what you were doing in that?
Sir, I was heading the volunteer recruitment group of our marathon organization.
So means they were running or you were just organizing run?
So I was recruiting the volunteers for helping various kind of groups that were present for organizing the marathon.
Okay. No issue. So you are doing meditation, cooking, jogging, playing badminton, writing journals, uh, observing behaviors of dog. At the same time, you are preparing for exam and you are obviously qualifying in some time also you got selection also. So what is the secret of this diverse type of things?
So right from my childhood, I have taken participation in a lot of extra co-curricular activities and not just academics. So I think so that is the reason that I still continue my hobbies and my interest in as important ways as I do in academics.
Okay, which newspaper you read?
So I read the Hindu.
Okay, so Hindu was started in which year?
So it was started in late 19th century. I'm not sure about the year.
Means you have seen thousands of time newspaper and it is written on the front page and you are not knowing. See,
So it is 1878, I think.
okay, what is Vernacular Press Act?
So the Vernacular Press Act came in the starting of 20th century in order to restrict the Indian language newspaper to publish anything against the British government.
Okay, so who brought that Vernacular Act? Who was the Governor General?
So he was Lord Cornwallis.
Lord Cornwallis was in 1790 approx, and Vernacular Press came after 80 years. So he was still 80 years.
No, sir. So I'm sorry, sir. I cannot remember as of now.
Okay, so what changed in news media? Means obviously earlier newspaper was most important. That's why they banned, they made restriction on newspaper. Nowadays, reading newspaper is habit is changing. So do you think still print media is playing crucial role, or at this time electronic media is playing crucial role in news?
So the penetration of print media remains really high as compared to the electronic media. Because we know, sir, that for electronic media we need some type of internet connectivity, and with digital penetration being low in the rural areas, we cannot expect them to continue in the electronic medium type of newspaper. And so electronic media is often used by the millennials of my age who are present in metro cities, and the print media shows its dominance in the rural areas till now, sir.
Okay, so you were many time second in inter-school marathon, third in inter-school relay, third in inter-school skating. So who was first?
So first was there was one DAV school that used to play very well in all these type of athletic games. So they used to be first ones. Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me two unique feature of CISF.
So the first is CISF being deployed in security and industrial installations to provide them security. And the second is, sir, that it has its own cyber security division in it.
Okay, since you did electronics and communication, can you make me understand how 5G works or how 5G will work?
So 5G is a new mobile network, long-term evolution network that has come to India and is being introduced in India on pilot basis. And so 5G provides better connectivity, ultra low latency, more downloading speeds and more uploading speeds, and will also help in other new technologies like IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, etc. And it is, sir, very important for the Smart Cities program and Digital India Mission of India.
Okay, so India said, Indian Prime Minister even say, कि India missed first industrial revolution, second industrial revolution, and third industrial revolution. But India will play a major role in fourth industrial revolution. Okay, so
Yes.
what was first industrial revolution?
So first industrial revolution started in 18th century where industries were being introduced in the Europe and most importantly the Britain, and new inventions like steam engine, etc., and increased connectivity and infrastructure led to this particular industrial revolution, sir.
Okay. Recently, Prime Minister of India announced that 3 Farm Act, which were passed by Parliament, will be repealed. So, what will be process of repealing that?
So, can I take a moment?
Yeah.
Sir, I do not know exactly.
Okay.
Sorry, sir, I'll look into this.
Yeah. So, who passed these acts?
So these were initially passed as ordinances, and that then was passed in Parliament.
So, the organization which passed will repeal, for repealing, another law will be passed and it will understood as it has been repealed. Okay. So, either
Okay,
it will
sir.
be
Okay,
through
sir.
ordinance route, but finally ordinance should be passed by Parliament, both houses of the Parliament.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So, if any person, recently you have seen that Aryan Khan case, Mukul Rohtagi, who was Attorney General of India, who was fighting case for Aryan Khan. So, can a serving Attorney General can fight any case?
Yes, so the serving Attorney General can fight a case, but he has to take permission from the Government of India.
Okay, okay. So, what is the qualification of Attorney General?
So any person who is eligible to be appointed a judge of Supreme Court is eligible to be appointed as an Attorney General.
Okay. Suppose you are going for an operation and you were supposed to come through operation before night, but if night happens, you are assistant commandant, your commander is, for example, deputy commandant. If night happens, you are a female and that is a male, your deputy commandant. So what will be your course of action at night? If you are in forest area,
Sir, I think I'll have my own tent with me, and I will be trained for setting up the tent and spending the night. That's all what I'll do, sir.
okay, okay, no issue. So you want to serve in female battalion or male battalion?
Sir, I'm fine in both of them.
Okay, okay, no issue.
Yes, sir.
Do you know who was the first woman IPS officer in India?
Sir, it's Miss Kiran Bedi.
Okay, okay. And first women who was in you can say in armed forces as a commissioned officer?
Sir, I can't remember her face, but her name.
Okay, okay.
Sir,
Yes.
she is.
If you will be assistant commandant, will you create any history
Yes,
for your family or your immediate neighbor or somewhere?
absolutely, sir. Sir, in my family, in my neighborhood, or anyone even in my knowns, none of the women has ever joined the armed forces. So it will be a great moment for, yes, sir.
Okay, so as you earlier communicated, ki your parents do not have any problem. They are giving you enough opportunity. Whatsoever you want, you do in your life. But do you face
Sir.
any hindrance from other family member who are directly not interfering in your life, but they are saying ki she is going in wrong direction? Did you heard something?
Sir, fortunately, I'm surrounded by really helpful relatives, and they've always told me that we are proud of you that you are trying for such a big force and you are going to make a history. So that's why I've not faced any such kind of hindrance.
Okay. India is completing 50 years of independence. Sorry, India and Bangladesh relationship is completing 50 years since Bangladesh got
Yes.
independent in 1971. So how you see the relation changes, or what is the present condition of India-Bangladesh relation?
Sir, India-Bangladesh relations have improved enormously. Be it trade, where Bangladesh is the largest trade partner of India in South Asia. And so the textile industry of Bangladesh and India are also achieving great heights. Uh, and so in border areas, issues are being resolved with Bangladesh at a faster rate. Um, and when it comes to the unresolved issues, for example, the division of water of so it's I think Feni River, and so few of the other concerns like the insurgent groups that sometimes take accommodation in the Bangladesh areas have still they still have to be resolved in some manner. But we are going strong, sir, in this aspect.
Okay. So Bangladesh initially was East Pakistan. So there was West Pakistan and East Pakistan, and
Yes, sir.
it broke out one region was due to language. Jinnah and means Pakistan, West Pakistan wanted Urdu should be imposed there also. So
Yes,
do
sir.
you think Hindi should be imposed to South Indian states also?
Sir, I do not believe that Hindi should be imposed on the South Indian states, but it could be provided as an alternative of learning. For example, sir, we have a three language formula in which in the North Indian states, even the students are being motivated to take some classical language and learn like Kannada. So some introduced in South India as well, but Hindi should not be imposed on those states, sir.
Okay, okay. So both of your parents are educated. They were your mother, for example, is retired and your father in job. So to whom you are more close, or you are closer to whom?
Sir, I'm more close to my mother because I have seen her juggling work-life balance because she has worked in education department. So this is what she inspires me in a lot of ways. So that's why I'm more close to her and I share my problems or my happiness and everything with her only.
Okay, so when you were kid, so how your mother was balancing job and home?
So she did, for example, initially she was working as a principal in a school. So sometimes she used to take us and make us wait in the hallway or somewhere unless she completes her work. And sometimes we were in the school and she used to come and pick us up and prepare food. So she has managed in really good ways, I would say. And I think so. This is the thing. I'll
Okay.
think about it, sir. I'll think
Yeah.
about this question. So I have not thought
Yeah.
about it before.
Okay. So if you are getting chance for Chief Minister of Haryana for 1 month, what will be your priority?
Sir, my priority will be introducing reservation for women in legislature of Haryana.
See, once if you will see the debate of Constituent Assembly, the women who were part of Constituent Assembly did not want reservation for women. At this time, you are supporting reservation. Why this happened?
Sir, even after 75 years of independence, we have not been able to achieve the required or the representable amount of women that should be there in parliament to represent the issues of women.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
we
Oh,
have consistently seen in
okay. So you were also playing Kho-Kho. Kho-Kho
yes,
sports
sir.
originated in which country?
Sir, it originated in India only, in Maharashtra.
Okay, okay. So what is approximate population of your state?
So the new data has not come yet, so I do not know
Old,
the approximate.
old data?
So I do not remember, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, okay. So two mistakes of your life.
So first would be that in 12th class, I did not concentrate a lot on my studies, but kept continuing with the physical sports and activities that costed me later. And so I cannot remember the second one, sir.
Okay, only one mistake you committed in your opinion. Okay, so Haryana is close to Delhi. It has huge advantage, you can say, due to national capital region, due to communication and other aspects. Still,
Yes, sir.
Haryana at this time is not growing as required. What is the major hurdle?
Sir, there is inequitable development in Haryana that is present. For example, sir, we have Mewat Palwal region, which is extremely underdeveloped as compared to the other regions like Gurgaon, Sonipat, etc. So the first reason is that we have not invested a lot in the infrastructure of these backward regions. The second reason is this, so that when it comes to the education level remains low in the backward regions of Haryana. And so the third could be said as a little backward pace of agriculture as well. So because we have not been able to shift from water intensive crops to crops which require less water, which will thrive better in the soil of Haryana. For example, sir, we continue to continue to engage rice as a diet, as an agricultural product, but we should introduce something like pulses, etc., in order to increase the pace of agriculture
Okay.
development in Haryana.